Hi, I'm Angie with Unique Island Assets on St. John in the U.S. Virgin Islands. I'm here today to give you a sneak peek at this new rental, which has been completely remodeled. I know this is going to sell out as soon as we begin releasing weeks. Welcome to SEADREAM. The simple, elegant luxury of this modern pool villa creates the ultimate private vacation rental. The oversized pool with this glorious sunning shelf overlooking 2 reef-lined Caribbean bays makes for that easy lounging vacation you've been dreaming about. The new owners of SEADREAM have created a well-thought-out space full of comfort and function. The home is beautifully furnished with restoration hardware furniture, and local artists' works bring the villa to life. The house features full AC, a robust redundant Wi-Fi network, and automatic backup power, as well as a full-size guest washer and dryer. Shady outdoor living and dining is a must on St. John. But the pool gets full sun all day long and offers open sky lounging while enjoying sunrise, sunset, or stargazing. 3 large primary bedrooms, each with a king bed and ensuite baths, are situated perfectly for privacy and quiet rest. The bedrooms feature heavenly bed mattresses as well as premium linens. This beautiful garden suite includes a wet bar with a beverage fridge and a coffee station. The kitchen is a modern masterpiece featuring a 36-inch Wolf range, a full-size Sub-Zero refrigerator, an under-the-counter wine fridge, and island seating for 4. One of my favorite features of this kitchen is just outside the slider is a giant Wolf grill. It's designed for easy meal preparation or to make your private chef event perfect. SEADREAM is located just under 5 minutes from downtown Cruise Bay with its numerous world-class restaurants and infamous bars, and a short drive from the stunning Virgin Islands National Park with access to some of the best beaches in the world. Our concierge service, included in every stay, can help you with all your travel planning, including arrival logistics, provisioning, private chef services, boat trips, massage, spa services, and so much more. Book your stay instantly on our website or contact us to start planning your dream vacation to this amazing new luxury offering exclusively from Unique Island Assets.